Hello viewers, let's learn how we can change the audio track of any video uploaded in the past. We can change the audio track of a short video as well as a longer video. And we can also add multiple tracks to a single video. On screen please. So now let's go open YouTube and then your channel logo or your picture and straight come to YouTube Studio. Now once again go to content and in content choose either a regular video or a short. Let me select short for easy teaching or easy learning. Now click this pencil like sign and now the video is available for editing. So let's play and listen the voice of this video. Now you have heard the music, so let me change the audio track. Click editor and it's available now for changing the audio. So click audio. Now music is available. The other one is started. So in case if you have star any XYZ music, so that could also be displayed in audio library of YouTube, which is freely available. Click the music add and now track has been added or replaced. Now you have heard that the alternate track has been added. Let me add another track. So add and now let's listen once again. Now two musics are available, so remove the one. Let's click remove. And now only a single one left, so you can play it. Now you have heard all these things, so let me click save and this message appears. So click save and it will take a lot of time, so leave your system and sit down and relax. Now you can see the message, it's appear and it's under process. In case if I want to check it from my channel, so you can see that this is under processing of editing. It's done. So let's play the video and listen the change music. In the beginning of this video, you have noticed that the audio at present and the audio at the start are two different. So you can easily change the audio track of any XYZ video. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.